In this video, I'm going to show how to run multiple OBS Studio on Ubuntu server. If you have any questions, please leave me a message in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer. You've probably seen YouTube channels with multiple live streams and thought you'd need a separate server for each one, but that's not the case. Today, I'll show you how to run multiple instances of OBS Studio on a single Ubuntu server. To run multiple instances of OBS Studio, please open the terminal and type the command. I'll include command in the video description. This command will start OBS Studio instance. In the top navigation toolbar, you'll find the OBS Studio dropdown. Click on it to see all OBS instances. To start another instance, select New Window from the drop-down menu. OBS Studio will display a warning dialog. Simply click the Launch Anyway button. This will start a new instance. If you click New Window again, it will start a third OBS instance. Click the Launch Anyway button again. This will start a new instance. All instances you can see in the drop-down menu. Now you know how to start multiple OBS instances. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and motivates me to keep posting daily content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.